Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Koridwita. I will explain about vowels and consonant, place of articulation, and manner of articulation. Vowels. No, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet, right? But they are different sounds. Why more than the all letter? That may I use the APA to help my student when understanding English pronunciation. Let's look at vowel spreads. There are 5 English vowels of the A, E, I, O, and U. But there are more English vowel sounds. Sama-sama long, sama-sama short, and sama-sama lazy. E, E, U, E, O, A, R, O. Next, so we have throat vowels and diphthongs. Now we'll move into consonant. The top row are unvoiced consonant sounds, which means the sound is made by air moving from the backs of your mouth, throat, and of your lips. There are one extra letters that in unvoiced down pattern. Then all the rest of the consonant sound are voiced, which means that the sound is made here with your vocal cords. You can feel it here, and unvoiced sound you just air. You can feel anything here. Ch, ch, s, sh, k, h, b, d, j, z, sh, g, n, o, u, w, y. Place of articulation. The first two deletion in the vocal tract where airflow is stretched to produce different speech sounds. In phonetic and describe without the airflow is obstruent when producing sound. Some consonant place of articulation. There are several places. 1. Bilabial. Sound produced with better lips together. For example, b, p, and For example, bet, pen, and make. B, p, and m. Labiodental refers to a place of articulation in phonetic where the sounds are produced by using the lower lip and upper teeth. For example, fun and f and very. Interdental sound produced by placing tip of the tongue between the teeth. B and b. So, for example, things and the, ting, and the. For alveolar sound produced by raising tip of the tongue to the alveolar ridge. For example, the and to, the and they, and no, s and si, z and so. Next, 5. Palatal alveolar. Sound produced by raising the tongue just begin the alveolar ridge. For example, sh, sh, and ch, and ch. So for example is show, fashion, share, and June. 6. Palatal. Sound produced by raising the mid part of the tongue to the hard palate. For example, yeah. Example in you. Next, velar. Sound produced by raising the base of the tongue to the soft palate and velum. For example, g and n. For example is go and sing. Next, glottal. Sound produced by using the glottis that speaks between the vocal cords. For example, ha. Example is help. Next, labialis velar. Base of the tongue. When producing this sound, the back of the tongue should touch or approach the soft palate. Lips. Lips should be rounded like the shape of the letter O. For example, wah, as in where. Next, manner of articulation. There are different manners of articulation for consonant sound in English. Sometimes the manner of articulation is also called the quality of a consonant. Let's look at them. Classification and example. Band, visible. Phrase of all we have plural phrase. Sometimes they are also called stop, so you will see both of those being used. Now, whole of the form. Part of the vocal tract is closed off completely, so there are be full closure and no air can escape. But then, the air is released centrally with a sparse burst, and centrally is really important because it leads to this Latin expression of air. That's where we get the word policy from. Here are all the flaws that we have in English. B, as in pay, and gap, b, and table, and you can see how the closer invert with the bottom my lips. B. Then we have into and but the and met, g, and cut and make, g, and go and back. And another plosive sound that you may not have heard of before is the glottal stop. This final-looking symbol and that we have usually in between vowels. For example, when we say and the glottal opens and close and open against first a glottal stop, so between FTs. Let's move a look at the next group, two fricatives. Two articulators move close to the airflow to a small opening. Here are all the fricatives in English. As in fun or help, f as in very or have, think and tooth. Next, have a look at next group number 3. They are affricates. Now they are actually pretty easy to remember things because they are basically a combination of the first two groups, so each combination of a philosophy followed straight away by fricatives, and then minted the African songster by fully stuffing the air press from living to focus rate, but the air is released and not maybe or simply, as with a philosophy or populism, but it's released to a small construction opening. Okay, so they are different. Here it's not like a full opening, release is just a small opening, and again we can hear the air breath. We have for example ch ch as in chill, and j j as in juice. So next, now we have a 40 group, and that's all the nases. Now, nases make you think of nouns, and that's a great good because the nouns of the nasal cavity plays a big role. When we produce nases, to hear the sound is blocked too, and have the either the lips of the tongue. Somewhere in the vocal stretch, it blocked from leaving the mouth, and instead, the sound is released through the nasal cavity. Now, the nasal cavity is the big speaks from all throat, up throat, on or nose, and we have three nasals in total. We have and and we have going you of example word, but just before we have a look at them to demonstrate that the air is really released through the nose. See what happened. The sound stopped because it cannot really speak anymore outright, and the same is true from and So the sound is released through your nose. So we have in more or come in on or sun, and the in sing and think. So three nasals in English. The next group 5 approximate. Divide into two. Number 1 liquid. We let air stream on the side of your tongue. Example include r, as in reading, and then the last as in long. 2. Glide. We move our mouth constantly from articulation to a vowel sounds. Example include wah, wah, as in war, and then yeah, as in yellow. I think thanks qaumi. Billahi fisabilillah, astagfirullah khairat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.